Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to learn how to create new groups and why we would do that. So for a moment, before we do this, we're going to talk about file permissions again. And this is something we covered very early on, but it actually is relevant now. So I'm going to create a file here called text. And if I'm going to make a directory here called group stuff and then move text into group stuff and then change into group stuff. Just keep things a bit organized here. And then I'm going to list the directories here. You'll see three fields here. Basically, it's read, write, read. And what this means is owner, group, and everyone else. So I'm actually going to play around with the user account that I created a few videos ago. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add that user to a specific group. So right now, this is owned by the user, Nick Germain, so this becomes relevant to this section. The group here becomes relevant to this section. So I'm actually going to change ownership of just the group here of this file. So I'm going to chown so I actually need to create the group first. Good stuff. So now we're going to create the group, and how you do this is type sudo group add tt. That's going to be the name of the group for whatever reason. And now we can run chown germain tt on this file. Let's run sudo bang bang. There we go. So now it's owned by my current user account as well as the group, which has read-write access. So now if we add our second user account to that group and then log in as that second user and attempt to edit the file, we should be able to because we should have read-write access. So in order to add a user to a group, we already learned that actually. So let's go ahead and sudo add user Nick3 tt. And now if I change user to Nick3, I should be able to edit that file without problems, without using sudo. I'm going to Control O to save and exit. And so that's why well, that's, a really fundamental reason why groups are used. And it may be relevant to you. It may not entirely be, but it's still good to know how a system works with permissions. So I hope this actually, made more sense of the permissions from the previous videos. I tried to explain it the best I could then, and maybe seeing this will help you guys understand it if you didn't quite, get it at that point. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.